What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Asparagus is in season now. Look at how beautiful the asparagus. I cut some already, and then I saved some so I can blanch it and put it for decoration, the tip. I cut it like this. But you have to be careful when you get it from the green market. The first bunch I got last week have sand in it. You cannot eat it.
Oh, wow.
What a waste.
Can you just wash it?
Yeah, I wash it. The sand doesn't come out from the tip. Oh, this one is okay. People, I buy it every day good, but last week they were not there.
Well, I'd still eat it, Joyce.
No, you cannot eat it. See how I cut it. You've seen it 100 times already.
Uh-huh.
You pretend you don't know. That means you can come back. If you know, you have to start doing it. Right?
Uh-huh.
That's Colvin scam. I can see through it. I know you for too long.
Wow, you get every little nook and cranny, huh, Joyce?
Well, why waste it? I paid for it.
That's good.
Now we'll pop it here. I already cooked the chicken and put some white wine in it when I'm cooking it. If I have my oven, roast the chicken and eat the meat, and then save the carcass and the bone. Not after people eat it. You always say, oh, not that cheap. The asparagus is going to be cream. That's why it doesn't really matter how you cut it. But when you cut smaller, it will be easier to break down. This asparagus you can even eat raw. You want a piece?
No.
Oh, if this is cheese, you ask. Colvin, you're so transparent.
Unpredictable.
Transparent. That's not the onion. The chicken have fat. That's why only half a tablespoon. Whole onion. Let it cook until it's soft. I'm gonna pour some water.
Oh, did you fill that with water already?
I'm crazy, but not that crazy. I cook this chicken because I want the bone for flavor. You can play with this cooked chicken. That's good. I'll put it down again. Because I don't want to burn. If you burn something, it will be bitter. This is the juice for making the chicken, all the flavor in here. That's why I didn't want to put too much oil. And I'm going to fish the bones out, don't worry. See, that's all the flavor too. To shorten the process.
Is that deglazing the pan, Joyce?
Sort of. Get the flavor in here. You can tell how rich it is.
It's like a French soup.
No butter cannot be French food.
Oh, really?
No, I'm just joking. I'm going to put more water in here. Let the flavor from the bone come out.
Okay.
And then I'm going to throw the asparagus in it and then blend it. Put half and half.
Oh, wow.
Maybe I put too much water. Oil, let it cook for like 5-10 minutes. That's why this soup is fast too. I take the bone out because I need to finish the soup. You want this?
No thanks, Joyce.
I thought you always want a piece. Okay, I'm going to put this in for 2 seconds because I wanted to, for decoration, I want to cook it.
Blanch it?
Yes, I'm lazy. Not lazy. I don't have another stove. Okay, it doesn't take long to cook because I'll be mushy. I'm just going to pack it over there.
You can find them all, Joyce?
Well, we hope. It's not too many. I'm going to put this in to cook this. Cook for a little bit and then until it's soft because I want to blend to make like a cream soup. I might have put too much water.
I mean, that's more sauce, right, Joyce?
I'm going to put cheese in it. It's not supposed to have cheese, but Colvin's here. Okay, I'm going to cover it for a minute. I think that's it. Put it away. See how retarded this is? I have to put it back in.
Hey, we make do, right, Joyce?
Exactly, we make do. When they pour back, then we put cream in it. It might be too light for
It
some.
looks thick.
Yeah, but it should be thicker. Okay. So, let's cook it for 3 minutes. I want to turn it higher, watch it, and then let it cook. Let it reduce a little bit. You're gonna like it better.
Okay.
This is greener. It's gonna be not as green. I want to, like, when I play it, I put some of these back in. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off before I put the cream in. But sometimes when you put cream in, it's separate.
Are you going to turn the flame back on?
No, it's pretty hot. That's the soup. You want some, right?
Sure.
I'm going to make sure you want some. I'm going to put cheese on the bottom. How many? 3?
Sure.
Let's do 1 for the picture. How's that?
Well, okay, you can see it for the picture.
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
I can always put more. I'm going to make it really shallow. Purposely making it less. Just for the picture. Yeah, not thick enough. Well, then we will put layer another one. See, it will put some chicken in here. Colvin said, "Oh, that sounds good."
Mm-hmm.
It's just a couple for the. This might not work because this is greener, but it's not that much greener. I thought I was gonna make a little. Okay, picture time.